Many CRM programs don't meet expectations. Building better client relationships relies on the sharing of key client information, and this has simply not been happening. Firms have tended to focus on inputting as much data as possible, rather than looking at how that data will be used. As a result, they don't really have a true CRM strategy, they have a data entry strategy. We're going to explain how, by making a few small changes, professional services firms can gain real value from CRM technology. So what's the basic problem? Many CRM systems fail because firms are just not clear about what they want and need the system to do. CRM means very different things to different people, but in order to succeed, everyone has to be on the same page. So, what does CRM mean to Stanton Allen? We believe it's most effective when C, R and M are considered as being capture, repository and maintain. These three areas are very different, but many firms have treated them as one process. Our unique approach to CRM has helped countless professional services firms use their data efficiently and effectively, putting their CRM technology at the heart of their business. Let's look firstly at capture. This is simply a process for getting data into a system, and most firms concentrate exclusively on this element. Adding large amounts of data into a system is not a good thing. You have to think carefully about how it will be used and maintained. For example, focusing on understanding the outputs fee earners need from the system and showing them how to find those easily is a much better use of resource than training them how to add contacts, as most of them will never actually do any data entry. In the past, a CRM system was expected to be all things to all people and hold every single piece of client data. Systems were rarely able to cope with these requirements, and the firm almost had to adapt itself to the way the system worked. CRM systems are not designed to hold every single piece of information a user might ever want. Our approach is that you should use each system for the purpose for which it was specifically created, without trying to turn your CRM system into something it's not. Working this way means data is stored in the most appropriate system for purpose, and using data integration technology, the systems link seamlessly together to provide users with a 360-degree view of a client. This is a much more efficient and effective way to approach CRM. The maintain element, in a way, should be considered before both capture and repository, and is about how you are going to maintain the information, how you are going to use it. To get the most from your CRM system, you have to understand how your firm works. The focus should be on the outputs from the system, not the inputs. In the past, firms concentrated heavily on getting data into CRM. Users who wanted to run reports just drowned in a sea of useless data. Finding useful intelligence was almost impossible, and so they very quickly lost interest. Our approach gets them fully engaged in CRM, as users can quickly see tangible benefits. So that's a brief overview of CRM according to Stanton Allen. Capture, repository and maintain are all very important elements, but the people, processes and systems involved in each are fundamentally different. Firms need to consider each element separately and treat them appropriately in order for CRM to be successful. If any of this seems familiar to you, please contact us to discuss how we can help you and your firm get the most from your CRM.